Hello student, here we have been given a question that in Melday's experiment it was found that the string vibrate in a 3 loops when 8 gram was placed in a pen, and what for mass must be placed in a pen to make the string vibrate when we have a 5 loops, and we have to neglect the mass of the string. So student, in Melday's experiment, so it's a simple string based experiment where we know that the frequency f equals to n by 2l times v, where v is for the string, we know that it's tension over mu. Mu is our linear mass density. Remember that mu is a linear mass density of string. Okay, linear mass density of string, so it is going to be constant. And tension T, so here it is due to the mass, so we can say that equals to mg. So V, I can say that it's mg by mu. So our frequency is, we can say that our f is equals to n by 2l times square root of mg by mu. Okay, now as we know that our frequency is also going to be constant, here we have what we have to calculate. When we have a 3 loops, at that time 8 gram of the mass is been placed, and now we have to make a 5 loops. Okay, at that time we have to calculate the mass. So if I take a square of it, so f square will be n square by 4l square mg over mu, and from this formula we can say that n square into m equals to constant. Okay, and only this relation we required. Initially I have a 3 loops. At that time my mass is 8 gram. Now I have a 5 loops, so I have to calculate the mass which I should in a pen. Okay, so now let's change color. Yes, so n1 square m1 equals to n2 square m2. We need this m2 mass, n1 that is 3 square, n2 that is 5 square, multiply by m1 that is 8, so it's 9 by 25 times 8. Okay, so 9 8s are 72, so 25 3s are 75, so the mass should be 2.88 gram. Okay, or approximate you can take 2.9 gram of the mass. Okay, so that is our answer. I hope the solution is clear to you. Thank you.